general say ye interested be mu a ne kwan so ano na eno so ye bedi eho enkomo on behalf of the production team ya mo akwaba edwaba national agenda today's agenda segment no eso mimi din de abena nyaako kwekuma lawyer akwaba now what to say ye de nyamiase this week he work court and court e won kran he ya. Oh, okay. There's some kwa tamale court when I told you amoko.
Independent.
Okay. Maybe a Juman never fro no.
And I said, oh, you what tamale after you said I said no call.
Oh, okay. And yeah, when your time yeah other things there. So do a home or too quiet or you're near me more energy.
A stressful job, but the Biamaka said, oh, passion for it. I thought that we adwuma do babia eno apassion na de di achiba
okay
nti adwuma ebi a me betina se abede 30 minutes bed o de be mo bi a de go do betina wo ntumi was no passion for it
okay
nti
law no is your passion
exactly
nti e ba sa wo ye kra wo mre
da bu mre ena o ye no se me tie nyina na mo nhase na me ye adwuma ofo so me ade na me subtract me ade na me subtract by close of day no dem pesa me achieve no mo achieve
ama hu say ya wo kan wani na wo de bibia hyem e say adwuma na wo ye no ha
na me be na me ye adwuma
na wonya time e ji wani die
stressful job no dey and two person distress ya so ma home time schedule
okay
na hu say me ye adwuma wa bia senye se be bro ye notice say na so court we ya one kasa with the other colleague, you know, with the consent of the court, which because any juma time, you go court time, independent. And juma, oh yeah, you should always respect the other side.
Okay.
Said you because if you are not $1 million shilling between. So only in a good relationship. I say me between you, but no, say more kind of simple, no more sector, over stretch you.
Okay.
Over catch the client say no, you more your papa and Tino. Oh yeah, I say. It mean will be now fee o send no credit udi no credit
so we be on your wadwin so be no credit I want to mean your lawyer
we be lawyer but obi a be hu was circle nim so on kan no credit nti obi dey asem brewa obusa obi also we dey go onye trustworthy we see nti no also be trust no kan no credit na we know staff that's how I call it
okay
wadwuma na you are good to go.
Okay.
And me have a juma my client ni involved. Nti e ko nyina onim ba bia e ko. Nti e ko na anye ya ono anim say or try the best and
anye
ye nso obun say ye nyina na ye juma ai dai ai. Sa na me juma nti I try to explain it to the panel level no.
No atiase. To obi wo ho onim say asem a ye ko ye kokokokwa ye nkosi aga.
Ai bi o cases bi o sa. Eno me menye. Eno me menye. My advice was this is the position of the law. So be tell me ma enko waste this car. So what I say, who waste this car at the day but
and your lawyers nyina so na be kan sa akire.
I na be this sketchy.
Okay.
And I would this sketchy a. Now we leading the panel owner. When him begu ase.
At the end of the day. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, yemra yen komo so e. Number 12. You can say you be a chassis free time mo start say mo court dia enkomo ne be wa but enra appeals court e dia ba say ana sansa no be ba testify no e wo say oyi nanim no na ye hu say asumasi ana so benti abranya koni wuni e na wo ba be di adanse no e he fa na mo free a mo kokoduru sa judgment e ba no
enra any judgment
ruling
from the court of appeal. Say kwasi nyantechi lawyers omo ya ade na number 12 no na kofa honorable Kenny ana asishu ba ya ma na askosu na can make comments about number 12 and other stories because videos are no nya our head any na Ghana for who number 12 number 12 no it was cut and paste pieces and anas e dey be yes the documentary in the check Ghana for because baby o wa kwasi free taxi mo Dubai offer elevator co there be almost setting up no Anas was in a different room akosi hu no he was sending messages to the partner on any adwuma no and a partner no ejina no so busa questions just to implicate kwasi nyantechi
yeah
na me na me busa me won say also oba be testify na say onyin anima. How was he going to tell Iriasi na say na or that movie?
Okay.
Because video na ankasa true video na hu a uko hotel suite na du kom no. Ebi o wa hall. Nti we na ya chem no no different room no wo no. The all the video no etwa no. Emiu so te wona o tempa so and o send the questions. But kwasi news anas e wo other room. Anas partner and the so-called shake or
shake no.
Yes, the so-called shake. And on me and Saturday. The Oma connecting gadgets and command on moody no. I'm not still on them. Yana Nas send the message about I'm on a partner. See. Oh, I was wondering, say, justice system Ben and Kabe allow say that no because then because he was going to show the real video.
Exactly.
The real video, and he was going to show it because now he's in possession of it. Oh, but what happened yesterday was in respect of fair trial.
Okay.
You must know your accuser. And me say, oh, what could you be sick? Me na make na police. After interrogate you, almost one more charge. So one who me and I will who me. How about your witness? It means your case is bound to fail. So what I say. So I mean, the Court of Appeal was right because at all time material, and my position is that so there are some to me so. O some na me here, o no, ye ba be kan. O say o back court be chese am pa me na me here. Yen timi ma won fa de yen kata wani in the interest of national security. One, you should all know that NAS on your national security employee. And your baby and a sumano.
Where private work and all
where he make his money to do all this is even questionable. How come so Baba Jira court say, oh, banda national security, and they say you are Uba threatening the court was right.
Okay.
And knowing those judges, the three of them, I knew say, look, they will not tolerate this nonsense. For me, a nonsense.
Nonsense, you call it.
Hey, to come to court and tell we are seeing as a kata when you will be questions. Now, we are witness. Wa brand the pan video number 12 mamusa. We number 12 we mu wana zoom.
Yeah, no.
Why na mu no? Mu wana zoom. Etima hu no number 12 man. Common sense will tell you that you cannot be my accuser. He had over court. Oh, Baba Chem number 12 now. So then Kwasi was also going to expose Anas by showing the true video. Not sharing intent. So ultimately, the Court of Appeal was right.
And we say no, or who quite say or sign appeal na the court to not come. Of
course, if no, it's the state.
Yeah, the prosecutors.
If the state want to pursue, they can go to the Supreme Court, and then on final order, they can go there. But you see, the Supreme Court in earlier ruling, and then the Court of Appeal touching on the Supreme Court in an earlier ruling has said, say. On to me for any and court.
Exactly.
The Court of Appeal yesterday's ruling said, the even trial judge, in a way, or a mistake because he was bound by stare decisis. Let the stare decisis lower courts now follow the judgment of a higher court. So the High Court is bound by decisions of the Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal is bound by the decision of the Supreme Court. It is only the Supreme Court that through public policy can change its own position. So the Court of Appeal yesterday says, who High Court judge, in an earlier ruling, the court had made pronouncement, say, on to me Katana. It was sent out follow.
And then one fine you
are. Judge for Jumabu or not a true. And they are possible. The Anas will be or so, and I blame this current judge because I know inherited case.
Okay. Obedi assembly work him.
Obedi no.
Okay.
There was an earlier one. On the crowd your car say Anas on Catalan. But this one made a partial to it. Say obey me Ababi being a new one or no chamber. By your Supreme Court.
Yeah.
But when they went to the Supreme Court, said no. To me for names are questions. Are possible. So in any of those ways, they were said the case was bound to fail. If the state intend to pursue with other witnesses, they are liberty to do it.
Okay, but to me about say omobeyi Anas testifying afrim na omope other people.
Yes, some other people are. Now they should have their witness statements, and I said they should go to court to seek leave, permission of the court.
Okay.
To say we intend to call other witnesses. It's a final witness statement where they are. I know the court will allow.
Okay.
But whether or not almost no more hobby no. Another matter to discuss.
Okay.
So in the light of this ruling, I doubt whether the state can pursue it and win. I doubt.
Say Abia, I confirm for so media dancer without Anas and one. I want to mean call baby.
It is because we have seen the original video.
Okay.
And I have watched the number 12. Original video, minimum. And original video shows you where the room that Anas was sitting.
And the omo cutting or edited the abache, no, and omu you any part in the
yes, so then you ask yourself
intention here. Okay.
Intention here. So
yes.
And the judges they live within us. Almost so ebi ananya bibia na do on record. Almost 1070 bu achire. So eti omu TV they verify. To ati ono ni trimu na bia no ati bibi. Onim say ade o ya ni pay papa. And a judgment at the trial court by Justice Ba and I sorry as Japan. It shows clearly. Say what the gentleman is doing, and yet for the benefit of any Obia in the Republic, but to himself.
Or no one has any interest in
any interest, no one whether monetary or whatever interest, and they don't want to do. Yes.
Now, say Abia state no able to me aka say okay. Ya wonkrofobia or munimanas, and even though wakata nenim no, or mama by identify na ya man testify, able to me abamuza.
Yanka say Anas no Anas no. In issue is a person me kata menim, ma begina court.
Okay.
Let me do a dance. And then the accused person is saying no. Una odi asema to me so I am accuser. I should know you. And you also kata wanima me dey menti ase. I don't Wakwa do court of appeal. Okay. Now court of appeal say yes, we agree with the accused person. And ubeba begina kasasa na oya Anas, Anas na. You should take off the mask.
Now all this while no ora kwesi nyantechi or ya accused there were asemimo no. Ohun Anas without mask no. Ewo sa number 12 video ni mo. And the original video na okano. Original video no yes. Without the mask?
Yes. Okay. Because original video now, yeah, what was you know? Hotel. To hotel no. No, ati. Now no Anas na when must make because when you do videos in my when you try. Or to different room. Ena ya set system me say. Only security here. Na only a cross you say. Obi wa chire. Okay. But me minimum no. Me na me guest. And I will be some questions. Questions I will be some me and no.
If you nipa no.
If you nipa no.
Nipa na me hu no.
Hu na. Me so me say nipa bi o baby a. Me dem ni say me no quantity. Yeah. And I ko ba sa. Enti original video na kwasi hu na the share was what? Say na dey anything. Enti sanka court no ka so for the minimum pombra. Then kwasi was going to release the original one.
Okay. To show senior omo one but original video no omo more court. On fan call as. There be. There was an interim issue or preliminary issue. Whether or not the gentleman can come to court and wear mask to say so many Anas. And then the accused person says no, I won't allow. And of course na so say no, you won't allow. You must know your accuser. And he doesn't come under any of the exceptions. Okay. Okay, exceptions were ho. Say bia obi betumi akata nanim sa abebisa questions for court. Why no mo
security will be a BNI for ye undercover adwuma bi. Na o makwa ko pie nkofo bi o mpese o mo ye ku ana o mo ye bibi. No mo nya information di aba. For the sake of say you be protect you no. Then that the court may allow. Okay. Say we there omo ye security nkofo ayamo omo that clearance no. so mutimi say adwuma no but analysis a journalist equally like you who protection say we mutimi akoye say adwuma no so we need be why should we be giving preference against any other person? So the court was right. The court was right.
There's a adwuma na wo ye no emremu no enya de a wo akwenya say wo be kata wanim na wo de aba court, or you can kata wanim for adwuma na wo ye no, but what mean kata wanim ma court?
More so when it has to do with criminal cases. Because I know there's somebody's liberty is at stake. Until you say prove beyond reasonable doubt. American put the reasonable doubt to say bako pe jury no bako pe kase me any past 6 now na say 12 on your you are acquitted and discharged.
Yeah, I had them there.
Yeah, numbers no. Bit 3-4 na koye hang jury.
Na 3-2.
Any I have 7 jury 7 or so yes. Na koye hang jury. So 5-2 that's when your conviction will be like that. So it must majority. But America there entisa. Because somebody's liberty or prison you know who can tell you the freedom. And normal kwako normal kwako hu on you be na tia bonti on. Exactly. Imagine you crowd them crowd. Uki yana she them how you struggle to get out. Truly the court of appeal was right.
Yen share anas ene nedwuma oye ewo Ghana ha no. Emremu no te say honorable Kendi amudi ye. Emremu no judges no anase omo tena asem no so no ehu say yes, you are a journalist and you can do your work, but enema ne bi wo ho nsusu a Ghana mra no emma ho kwan se obeye ne sa. Enti ye koye nimu no se ebi a wo ho wo ye timamuni na se obi eba se bia me journalist me pese me yo se wan kasa no enema ben sa na wo se ye so that you don't fall prey to enema bi sa no.
Senka maba na me no udi nkomo na ye nkomo ne de adu ba bi se be gi bribe through ho. Clearly with me some maybe I call bribe na me here. And the koba sa dia a different matter. But we dey agenda. You say a particular person. And the person oh you go any mass. Enti ya social list. I me say unim. Sanka nipa na okuta videos no. O yi na ni mapia betina se am watensema. Ka judges na e pam o mu nyina nga. Ya fra mo back do to practice as lawyers.
Okay, they say omo practice as lawyers.
Yes, upa. Omo kebe compensate bi.
Sir?
O kan some ni kire wa, nsem a o kan e backing with videos. Kebe compensate bi. Ebi wo kra etimi sheda e na o clerk e 1. Ne na hye adwuma. Ndi wo no o de o bag am o clerk, o fa siw kam ma wo.
Ne dey record that.
Ponchi akogina wo. Ebi ase de wo ji aponchi na show kam ye wi ani yi. Ye wi ya nya ya capture that ade no ketewa bi no tie ba be years okoja ponche
ene ehu
tina because targeted at individuals we are or person maybe are the man adwuma no minim and once upon a time a judge told me say oko baby outside Ghana ekoshia a colleague Nigerian judge. The catcher is a Saudi we say Nigeria Jum crowd to me. Utminya de Nigeria Jum crowd and you want me.
Then I didn't see Ghana dear Yama who coin us and may also.
That's a Ghana Yankasama. You see, Ghanaian, look also Ghanaian as my bread. Also Ghanaian as my bread. Also, I see a chink of America deport you. Obit was oh, minimum Ghana phobia winning crata. Say, Miss Kadia, make see. Alateni will never do that.
Yeah.
Unless no problem, no. Mo na pa ko do point bia. We mean so much also damage your life.
Yeah.
Here also a ton any courage no. To withstand the normal be and look at it and say look at you we are right.
Yes, because it took honorable Kennedy Japan. And I am my young say no akwa no ni interest in no ye na oye.
Exactly. And no crowd bro brands and agent too. It's not easy. No, it wasn't easy.
Was I said, Ansana Bibia Beba Bonten, no, they can win public
sympathy. And I mean, it's public trust. Let me put it that way. And to change, I don't know, and easy. It was so tough and difficult. At a point in time, Court only Wadam for lawyer creating command and ask assembly more. Here on him says, I know you do a thing with the team. As I go with Jimmy, I call you better fight.
Oh, how why?
Oh, how why day. And a senior lawyer told me, we shall airport was here. But the one how you see tomorrow with the cherry, so say no that day. Or say, me, senior lawyer. Probably he had the largest law firm in Ghana.
So, on no crown of case, we go near today.
Me, sure. Or catch him was it me who are there. Oh, yeah, on Tesla.
By the end of the day, you won the case.
Of course, yes. And then you went to Supreme Court, praying the court to quash at the end by way of sexual right. Because I say judge did that. Who say will be life? Would be a family any attempt did the end. Who say will be life? And he wanted the Supreme Court to throw away a 70-page judgment. The court said no. And I'm telling you, yesterday the court, what they did was act and right. So states didn't tell us here.
They say the only honorable can Japan and somebody there is
filing appeal, but appeal no one pursue
Supreme Court there no.
No process near a bit technical. I won't tell you.
Okay.
After High Court, when he lost or lodge appeal, Court of Appeal.
Okay.
Then he filed Sessurara, no. High Court. DB officer or we need power to do it. Any friend said without jurisdiction. And I said the judge who sat on the matter at the High Court, he was so biased.
Okay.
And I said there is clear error on the face of the judgment. Satre a UAC, not Supreme Court, because they have supervisory jurisdiction over the High Court and the Court of Appeal. So he came under two of them, said the judge was biased. And then the judge lacked jurisdiction, making session decisions. And the court said no. By majority decision, the court said no. But then no filing appeal. The appeal no so filing. Your period be so one pursue it will be thrown out of the system.
Okay.
It means person ACC. See a junior.
And see, when you say or Nyantechi and then the lawyers, no, they are making a headway in the case.
Of course. I doubt whether the state will pursue this matter again. When a bear witness?
So Anas was going to serve as the star witness, Anna.
Yes, because there was another one. I don't know who here. And Anas says he will make my bear witness, you see. But Mekatame. Now the law will not allow you because only a security person who and that law. The Supreme Court said this first. Now Court of Appeal has said even you the lower court judge, the trial judge, or some can follow stare decisis. A Latin word. Higher decision from a higher court, you are bound to follow it as a lower court, even if you don't agree with it.
Okay.
They're by force. They're by force.
Now, guy, no, or the original video, no name, someone who do. Oh, you're safe, dear.
Oh, you're safe, pa. No, he's smarter than us.
No, he's smarter than him. He's way smarter than him. He's a very sharp guy. And on one us, baby, so to see which we are choosing. Very sharp guy. Oh, you're safe. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Oh, no, so your investigations, Nibiana.
No, you be not remember we said, I say, tell you investigation here.
Okay.
We signed a colleague back. I will say, you investigation here. You only am best me bonny.
Okay.
And or catch the colleague in the reply and say, a man must survive. And in some day, but yeah, Ghana for take care of our son.
I didn't see
too. System
Mr. Jonas Afum says, Abna, in the case between the state and Mr. Nyantechi, he should not worry. The new Attorney General will discontinue it. Or because Mr. Nyantechi is an MPP member, he will still continue the case. I know they're to me and say so. But we see
so discontinue one of the cases why in the right way.
Okay.
Because
say what's so jai.
Because in this case, we need evidence. We need evidence to pursue the matter. And to quite you are bound to fail.
Okay.
And one way so any pan or could do because a malicious prosecution, no coercive state. And you know there, when you sit people down and explain to them, say the reason and other reasons in here or discontinue are better. Or better say, be a better say.
Okay.
And the word is nolly prosecute.
Okay.
Not quite kind.
Nolly prosecute.
Nolly prosecute.
Ayo, yes, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And see, a bunny say, yeah, Miss Yantachi, and so whole quine said, or day announcing in a Juma, why you no better court for so we're going to do.
Oh, yes, with the earlier evidence now, the original evidence now. Yes, he can do that.
Okay.
He can do that. It is within his rights to pursue him on that tangent.
Say, one state now to us will be man, he can do that.
Even state to us cry, he can still go ahead and do it. But a better say state be trust and San Waesa. A better say state be trust.
Because I think where the woman is going baby.
There be for me. And you talk to any lawyer who can look through the lens and be sincere, and he will tell you. Unless some more evidence behind. But the evidence now, we no baby jinaso. I no kromo kati no pesti. Said no one no day bad there.
Well, Yemra Attorney General Fufro Yawabe. When you say, oh, dear, lawyer need the unimono, and you may be a wire in the past. Or by ye, no, I say, cases be ana a woho. To say opuni say dragongo ora for swamp for nekwa kubu ahende and the keken kan bebre former deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana dear ni nyina no state no enye interested in ti wa file nolly prosecute senior wo kan no enti se see no enipa bi de omo kan say is that a way to go because you see a fight corruption dear na say yabo obi kwa do say prenegata shani dream die no de no hwahye mo adenti and a state in the workers asem no on to us with you
and your constitution be amendments because your abu be friend article 88
article 88
on any attorney general he's mentioning the constitution or is so powerful when it comes to initiation of criminal matters and civil matters for and on behalf of the government of Ghana. Now at any time before the end of investigations, a case pending in court in respect of criminal cases, he can file on prosecute and discontinue the matter. However, say who is a political, not say lose less 4 years elections because Oman full trial, acquitted and discharged. A new attorney general, if he's from the MPP, can start the process. And the money is dangerous. And the uncommon area, no, the unkebab one say, Cobabana, what the conviction, Bema, president, so the
presidential party,
or man party. Near who said, we, but we know, and Paibo, Kakra. See, on again, probably any say, son political persecution. Jenizo to us. But this should be worried. They say former attorney general. I didn't think that we say all day 188 charges about one person. Now we to be compressed charges no.
Okay.
Because you see, lawyer now we open lawyer. Some could do very good lawyer. Solid one. It one some could do. One count to be a semba one. About appeal to court of appeal. And this was what
and drag case.
Exactly. And frustration is part of law. To frustrate the other side is part of law.
And that is what they
You may not be happy, but it is part of law. And Sam Kujo is good. And I'm telling you, Sam Kujo may be NDC, but I respect him so much because what a court, no, so we will come and tell you, do this, do that. That's a mark of a good lawyer.
Okay. And so now we are open lawyer and Kazana way.
Would you take it? They take a baby in the bay. You really say you. Lawyer Makupa, you was a very good obo. Was there any obo I cry about you? And Sanya Saba.
Lawyers and so for more margin.
Oh, because you understand the High Court no Quapi. Supreme Court of that said.
Na kobasa.
On interim matters. And substantive one. It's in our judgment, Mr. Ruling.
Ruling, yeah.
The final
substantive way no
will come from the High Court.
Okay.
Oh, it took 5 cases, charges. Uncompressing.
Seven so no compressing ye because charges sir.
Ebi o ho na relevant. Na se power na attorney general or they discontinue matter. Who the same power to overlook some of the charges.
Okay. And so
you look at the serious ones. If there is any, may I say minimum because I mean, but I'm saying, say, in respect of the non prosecutor, new attorney general probably perceive it as political persecution. It's in the tools aligned. But the old one, Senka or compressive charges, say 10 charges cry. I don't care conviction evidence, the church will say about and Kaba. But you don't go and charge with so many charges. If you are no, I cannot discontinue, no, I start filing new charges.
Yes.
Yes. I mean, no. As I now sound well in the eye of the legal fraternity. Because if we say any evidence, I deba court. Not enough you walk out, I was a draw. Nami the Weber. You have to be because an American or liberty at stake. And you can't walk on ye. Who can't walk on ye? Yes, sir. Son of a
better to action, sir.
Because who is political cases? Son call it down that if I stand to be corrected, 27 charges or so.
On Saglemeno.
On Sagleme. Current finance minister there, and Umpukra there, some of the
ambulance,
and some of the a bisu or minimum, not be abonency. So, but how you conduct the case?
And don't want to say former attorney general and any team, no man conducted these cases.
And you only team, maybe at the point of my name, as political cases. Why do you go to court as an attorney general? Who PF court, I have MPP communicators and party executives. No, we do it. MPP executives, they do it. Once you have strong DPP, solid woman, very strong one, only team.
Director of public prosecution.
Yes. He was once Mr. Japan when I enjoyed
Obobisa, yes.
I want a strong team. Now we can't party apparatchiks anyway.
Ebanisana, I say you are not representing the state.
Exactly, who your party Aduma? And you won't even can agree. I don't know anyway. We are attorney general. A so powerful position. Very powerful. Tina one article 88. Oko called now Pia, and I for the party for the I'm business in the same. I know a political case. That's I never. I mean, I can't create trail. Yes, I didn't go anymore. Yes, I didn't go anymore. Say a beer, a seminar, and Pampua, and I'll be a conviction. I want to for Tomagas, I already believe one more than this for. And as a sanity.
Yes, I'm the only bomb with him. Ah, what you tell me?
Oh, yeah, power near the money. As an attorney general, he has the power.
Now, can say, Attorney General says, Nolly Prosecutor, yeah, king, a toby to me, trading a constitution.
Of course, because you're the Sapa one. So, I don't know, in charge of initiation of criminal cases and civil cases on behalf of the government. And he acts on the client in a republic.
Yeah.
On the client in a republic, yes. And he, if you say, I just have a call now, case in the day, or you're doing us media, or the quiet baby, open court. The same thing. It is based on the evidence available to him, or assessing or any more. This one, we should discontinue it. Or Sapa one. But let me worry, and I'm catching on. You don't go to court as an attorney general and bring MPP executives, any party communicators. We are aware press conference of fun.
Yeah, some of the cases.
We also see cases against the opponent. Do you do that? If you are white, so bad. Oh,
yeah, okay, imagine I say, Idea a state no the Republic versus somebody. Ya kone de ye we are nanka Attorney General and Director of Prosecution no. Nanka
omo solid woman.
Nanka omo na chire much Ghana for but they drew baby no cases ni bi wo ho a na akwakwa ye say we are
Attorney General Attorney General. Cases wo ko ni so di High Court.
Okay.
Cases wo ko ni so di High Court. I said, "What are the people? You who want to say, the man is here."
Yeah, who baba case?
I get I can't say what I'm Attorney General.
Enti ye koye ni me no. Say nipa bi nso ka say eba sa dia na nkame akoye say political class no. Omudi boni a omaban ba ye be discontinue case no. Eba sa prayer ni keta corruption na ye pese ye to ase wo mo na ye ma ne ba form no. Na ye ko ne say.
I said Ghana for you na account dey contribute because you see obi ko school. MPP NDC test contain okwa otumi akasa owie ya na ya ne communication experts onye dwumada wo power by ya ne minister yeah the minister
na
CEO anche na ntina me NDC for young men na kasa bedugi na mo ya mese se omo enyi Japan bia omo nya careful because omo today their day of reckoning ajitahaya is a Ghana for you say the person who can support the panel to mama party na party ba yes I know say ba
there's a corruption in the instrument to us you
cry old to for
say be obi any born no akwa
cry to you
e ba say to me anya
grab me di body and see go frying from to baba e kana na ndi ana manya opa dia
aye went aye mo
I don't do that but I know say God your culture also play part.
Okay,
I know say with time I know what best just that what the appointment subsequent exception of four on by so a young man, a chance. We be a young man chance in you. A young man of America, yeah, no, secretary of Bibino. Or don't mind you at the age of 18, or even high school. It's 21, 18, until you be 100 and about 20 days. You are family muda. To know your appointment. And you know, it's so be a not fresh on your mother. Open fantastic problems.
Okay. National agenda and when you go to our share on the two so no sound so and uti and aha oman 107.1 FM. Yene lawyer Ralph Japan and Edin Komo. You already know your casa edia fa or Rakosian versus the Republica. And now there was Obedia dance here or say Obekatanim and Sana or Babedi a dance here or seminum. And now Court of Appeal Eddie ni ruling about or Sidebi or any sa any and a lawyer Ralph can say or no one is said state no enco baby with sa case because Nipano or no na star witness no so in any media dance here it will be difficult say Obenya Obia or Babedi a dance here was a seminum and I say yet Attorney General for Froya or Beya cases ni bebre e wo hono mo a o se enya de se obetwaso e na ye gu so ayedi e ho enkomo no obetumi a join the feed no e wo na 2tvgh on YouTube na 2tvgh on YouTube e hono all the messages go on mo e prepare making kan nyina ama lawyer say na wo kan say ho be hia say tumi a ye de ama Attorney General a ono na o initiating cases no or prosecute no e wo say ye hwe e ho asem kan say e bia who making recommendation to omo amampani yi omo say omo nye constitution review no a enka den na wo ebe ye wo
simple the obetimi aka ne say before Attorney General ebe ko say o person file non prosecute you should convince the judge say the reasons and the grounds in here and yes idea also to a case I shall also to asukuri.
Okay.
I don't know bit me aboa because with that a judge has no power. Tina, they are be trained to say, I say acquitted and discharged. No, it's only the court that can acquit you or convict.
Yes.
The AG cannot acquit you. He can discharge you. He can acquit you. On your court. He's a lawyer for the Republic.
And see, need now why you discharge or on to me.
Of course, discharge. Or not prosecutor. He's not interested in the matter. And they are discharge you. So the court will discharge you. So go. But for an acquittal, it is only the judge. I don't stand to correct it. What I'm saying is a fact. Because only the court that, because if you say he said, if you say he said that 10 general can acquit, then he can convict. Then he can convict, but only some power. Power away, non-prosecutor, then you'll be discharged by the court.
And okay, and you know, say a bass a beer or more person or more a twasso, no more cocoa per acquittal now, and on a bit me a person or more case in the
me now, the only do about court so interested be my uncle to the best.
I see.
Oh, you saw a jouse by force, my wife. Obey wasn't in Pobio. Was it Debbie Chinchina? Was me Pobio, was it Debbie? No one.
Okay. And say a bass and a best since was said in future, no, Attorney General be banners of
because in our republic, you need statute of limitation or criminal offenses.
Okay. To
say it be other jurisdictions, and it be 2-3 years, you in charge of not a criminal. Yeah, dear. It be 100 years, no the bonnet for what you want. Your chua, you better you put before court. So far as the evidence remains available, in your conviction, I will go prison.
Okay. And they can say assembly a chance when prone.
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, it's a Siamampenia Institute Constitutional Review Committee. I know was your in or do more Jumashomusa or practicing run one check. And near my bench, and on who's in case.
11 years,
11 years, say be womb. So we had Nippon and now your bank wire buy you. And near my bench, I know who is Ghana. Yes, son, your constitution, you want to say a year and Cabebwa.
No man the doors, but no man in Shadan also. Because me, I don't believe in say ube wholesale change. Our amendments.
Okay.
To say America constitution is the oldest constitution. I did 200 and somewhat years. But on my amendments. And your honor baby officer a require amendments now. You bet me a shovel. They are son. But unfortunately for me, me who say my over 900 pages. Na me share be.
Okay.
But articulate it is a amendment.
Okay.
Said the
powers of the Attorney General.
Exactly. Or say you're limited na presidential powers. The president of Ghana is the most powerful person in the world. The president of Ghana, by way of an appointment, is the most powerful person because you see, all the power to do so many things are nowhere. I would say Trump, person, or say some birthright, citizenship. On to me, it will issue executive order. But here, over struggle, the next 2 years, there is an election. In America, congressional elections. The aircon, a person will say, Obelusu, one of the houses, and I'll be a booth, why powerless. But all yet to satisfy the base. Ghana, and easy. A bine parliamentary majority always here, who blows, you know. Oh, the veteran Bavetim, you stop on credit the other day. The numbers are there.
Obefemako.
Obefemako. Oh, the moment to Obenya majority, no. And mind you, I also know. Also, the MPs are ministers. And this will change. No matter what I say, and 1979 system, you're quite a buying team passing it. No, here change. If you put up strong committees, that's our power. Now party for the money committees now. Now ministers won't cut parliamentary system no more. You can successfully work. It is done in America. It's other than doing it. But the Aquabrucheni and Umko school, you perform better than them. Other than your practice and I ask them.
And say, Mashabia constitution is here 50% of ministers.
That's because if I can insult more than you, no be a possible self may minister or your minister. I'll see a son.
Okay. Now you ministers from outside so that parliament can be that independent
and strong. And strong, right? So America for so vetting. Conform vetting, be a stubborn, maybe a stubborn change deal with me. But you know what they do? You bomb me dear, seminar inquire
Attorney General.
Attorney General. What I will start doing is I will start consulting the committee, judicial committee, whether you are in the minority majority. I have to have a meeting with you.
Okay.
Now, baby, I don't mean what shall say Busame. Now, me especially me remember to not single vetting as at least my get you be Esa, Emma, Etina, Parliament, Obi MP no converting. Your man 2 minutes or we require.
A Greater Accra Regional Minister designate no.
Exactly.
Only your man is
now we try to be converting. Now prepare. No, the rule should be that we MP want to be a minister. By a board here, you have to see all the committee members.
Okay.
No one views on issues.
And Zakran and Kawaba.
And send on committee.
Public hearing.
Public hearing. Now, Obusu Asama. It's general. America, the name FBI director designate. Ranking member, Dick Durban of Illinois. Obusan question. You know, when I met you in a meeting, I said this and that, you know. That should tell you that prior meeting about.
Yeah.
You bet you changes, baby. But yeah, if you are 10% don't go be. I don't have 10% in the no. You are 10% and could be baby also.
Now 10% now, quite sending the assistant compound and near Yabiaco.
Sure. Or no pescador and guess in the market.
But Sano Susono and what on say Ebasa. Na Timamufono, I and say another Timamufono be feel say political class and uncle and I answer so I yet Timamufono. A crabby scope is also by politician. Also by politician. But it's not the best. Yeah, all parliament as me. My name is our follow vetting, no, and they said yeah, minority majority no more or more dumano.
I'm not sure I crack.
There now some George dear. And
I know I'm sure. I said when.
Okay.
Now, Chechena Moon said, but is he to be fair? Time they know so much.
Exactly.
Time they know so much. But them say, we imagine them. Majority for who say, Oma and Twaswa. Ombe dragia kukuja to dear no. Omo transombe and yes sentino. Okuja to dear no.
Omo yen is any on person my yen.
Omuntimi change any for 7 years.
Yeah. That was the
I don't see a politics. No more play. You can't blame either side. Tomo mo kasa well to kwana ebe mu ndi na nye. Politically, obia ewo na iya na dwen na teams a ofu e no mo tena so mo kasa nya almost sabu push as time ko ye wie ntem na mpanyim for.
Yes.
Because that they who Sam George no he tried to be smart. O sheda so hini odo hini panya betina. Tebi o ba no ni o sheda cat no hini so nkuja no. No they cut time so.
And opinion honorable Nodom Prekasai about sa issue na see our parliament. No can say. And no under normal circumstances, omo be yam and ablo so kra nipa 5. Omo ayam or my nipa 6. Afa omo pie call abontin ho no. Na obi ayabo ni din so me yeso afo bi a omo line na app ho. A omo be ni nyina anadwo no. But they can't do that. Yes na na chese opese adwuma no omo ye ni biara. Na yes no I said the quality of vetting no e so. Say na yes.
MPP ban na do see. E dey do see.
Emobo.
Yes, so kona nkram yenu kuntokwa. Emusa se no
na no asem no.
Enti omu jejereje. Tanyo no sa yeto no.
Na no ya no ekofa bae. Ono ani jejereje.
Omu ajejereje. Enti afuna mo solution to bibi.
Yes, sesi ano party no at committee. Wo mo ewo abontin a wo ne nkrofo di nkomo. Professor
a waste of money and resource. The MPP co-position, omo committees will be any MPP ni o ya kra or test con invest con only. They be
And in Canada, who years or mobile call
important for me. Obi may differ with me, but
they say as a case of duty and MPP lose we are all
and they bear 4 days or so.
And then I said, ever carrying you as well as I can't minutes crazy. But also what contested MPP election war Bantama. And you know, we MPP ni. And ye ko ye nimu no. E was a party no a pay solution to problem e ba ya.
So what they made the album there, then I'll touch on it.
Okay.
In the case of Bantama, na papa yo. Many presidents in the coalition. Why should I go to an election? Many presidents in the coalition. We send a cash and I line up.
Only Papa.
Only in a lot of cash.
And your channel.
Yeah, to tell her they can Japan so the banana facing. Because if you don't defeat him, then you'll be. So why should it come to that?
Until when he said, sir, and your man so can be defeating by money crossing about.
I know, money crossing the person. Eh, way, grand agenda. Where you see a panel. Any empanel, they'll see a panel. Where no so a moon panel. Maybe a street boy. We were street for baby. Oh, where I am panel, be another street for. In 2 pen after election, what do? You approach the person. It is Uncle Franco for. They are perceived to be from Jubilee House. So, Muntu, I know one, and no can be. And opulence, a displaying of wealth. Now, a known fact, say young men within MPP before 2016 no money or my acquire so much wealth. I got think of me. Don't let me talk about man who buy no better to 9 cars, no girls. Who 8 years you have a catches room could on. Now one cabe.
And you know, oh, when they say near my defeat the by any day obvious until we have a committee be a committee and a woman or what problem committee now.
I'm confirmed making argument Professor Queen. Yes, Professor Queen, dear, maybe I'm not my agreeing say. Or no one can no interest because the back will be. Kenisenka or come on. Apart from that, minimum said that you might beside that, no, I don't have any problem. We do be a crap. Maybe your crap at home with the minimum.
Okay.
Tinya no issue, but I'm saying say a waste of time and waste of energy and money.
But Senka who soon here say or Mobema will be a quine or bear expressing.
If I saw in the Sadia current executives, no, Monko constituency be an among for constituency executives. And stakeholders, no money sanko.
Okay.
Because of one casa, we are guilty. Tina, maybe the old Sam Sink will be uncle. Kodiana,
National Executives,
be a woman uncle. Region, be uncle, national be uncle.
Now,
sympathizing with him, Kakra, but no. So, Tia, on for advisory, say, on one casa de Juma 2 after, see a next election. A babuano. Not next time, the wire corner, but Kono Colusudia or shutting the political bed. Eti opa se si ana ade na ba befra no na fra jai to ne ko
okay
we 4 years na ko and koneko live life na otowa udin ba ko no kunkom no omo san page okunkom ra ne famra ba ko na ko lusu election dey aso be hye o buy a different thing
okay
and na unim lusu abe lusu and aba no
e bia na akwa yes 2024 election
aba no unim say you two executives na se me na me pe chairman na se ma me chairman ya to mo mo di machi nyina o
yeah
etimu lusu amu nyina mu lusu pe
yeah
te ba ya obeti a ona mo bo ba obeti a on fan to no nko
international executives and a region
constituency omu nyina
constituency polling station for no bia
police station kwa ntwam
police station executives
ye ntwam police station unim de o Kumase especially we be ko police station bi omo ya 5 no mo obi anti wo na busu afirisi wo ejo beje sika as delegate wi a
no ko
ye to aba na beto ba police station adwuma ne se ko be refim
yeah
ba anti wo na busu truly na busu afie ba anti wo o to afiri wo but say say afre delegates a no aba delegates who share wo na mo ye wo say yes some ye dam ko fio I know if you know they say to quay.
Maybe I'll move up to a jack. And until omu lose touch with the base, Nana. Police station for
no, but not police station for they were angry.
Okay.
Ashanti region, they were so angry. I know be because I know be because.
But then there should be a solution to it. And what would you suggest and I recommend?
Me call a year a same person.
Okay.
Far Kaswa Kwani so. For the first time, na say NDC for any educated people. First in the NDC, you don't say no one on my eye. But for the first time, na say look. Now we have not sanko for 90%. Now we MPP. And we dey before call. And the challenges in those.
And say then I'll be recommend this party in the bay. Yes, we say executive delegate system near into him for a better Cadbury member.
Challenging usually, but who can we improve on it?
But in Crawford, can say, Bassa opposition between the Crawford, which or my baby or my party card.
Oh, no, party card. How? Between the door send a bit. Because you see, Obi our take area be area or 2 members before the NDC.
Oh, yeah.
It is Obi register for the card. I want this in your family. To you prevent it any baby among room.
Okay.
Tell me the argument non starter.
Okay.
Who can more? Who you shoot and now they elected constituency. Now, or what about who they also elected region.
Okay.
Now I perform at the Alba elected national. Because national, they also move around to.
Oh, yeah, baby, or Mobile better no.
It's all your constituency,
but from police station,
because I don't know, young staff fiscal who came from Monsieur. Second, I told you, wouldn't any panipo cry.
Young farmer.
Was a year to a bar. What you can represent 2 more power, but and I said, I was here, she now calls you cannot do my man washing to themselves. What a man in Cobaco. Okay. But I was some observe elections. Oh, catch us, hey, and then Saturday obey my pressure, sir. I was say, with young grade school fees Monday. Or the way minimum at the end of magic, or the mamma got to mark on the next day.
Uncle Ransom.
On too much the woman is cut. Me on his own, I bet me, maybe cry a man about Sudia.
A good soon, sir.
I don't know money crashing.
Yeah. Lawyer, yeah, that's it. Okasanyina, I see Honorable Kennedy Japan.
Sir.
Yeah. Or gestures, any senior Okasa, terms if you suja, you see, Nina.
Come back, you see, now I'm going to Mati.
When can you see the view? Yeah, that's a part for your time. And then, what the Akko school, young carry a crown, you say a nolly prosecute. Elikam Shiabi, the Bebo, and that's it for your time. I was for a ha and a brother, my national agenda.